Material Science Introduction. Whenever we start any course, the first question in our mind is that why we study that particular course. So, in the case of material science, the question is that why we study material science. As mechanical engineers, we are totally dependent on materials, their properties, and performance. Being able to select materials for a given use based on cost consideration, to understand the content limitation, being able to create a new content that will have certain properties. Now ahead, we have to understand what is material science. Material science is the branch of science that deals with the study of relationship between the structure and properties of matter. Let's know what features we are actually looking for in a material. That is, strength, stiffness, flexibility, thermal, electrical and magnetic properties, stability, catalyst, acidic or basic, reusable and eco-friendly, and the most important, low cost. In the next video, we will talk about materials classification. Write in the comment box for any query about the topic. Thanks.
Created using Powtoon.